Everyone knows the Amazon River has a lot of water, but just how much water does it have? The Port West Lake would be filled by the Amazon in just 1 minute, while the Yellow River would take 2 hours. If the Amazon stretched to where the Yellow River is, us, Henan folks, would all grow gills. Can you? Imagine an estuary over 300 kilometers wide. The Amazon turns that seawater into fresh water. If the Yellow River that constantly elbows civilization is a strict mother, then the Amazon is a fucking aircraft carrier. It'll ram whoever it wants to ram. The Amazon floods like it's in heat. Because this place is called the Amazon rainforest. Lots of rain means lots of water. Solar radiation makes water evaporate. Vapor turns into heavy rain and falls again. It's warm and humid all year round. If we personified Earth, what would we call it? Of course, it would be the lungs of the Earth. The water evaporated by the Amazon rainforest in a year could fill over 400,000 West Lakes. And that's not all. Water vapor from the Atlantic blows over, blocked solid by the Andes Mountains to the west. It all turns around and rings back down, flowing back into the Amazon basin. Loss of water is useless if you can't retain it. Deserts are dry, not just because of little rain. So don't be surprised if you see floods in a desert. Deserts can flood. The Antarctic ice sheet can also be dry. But you know what? Amazon is all rainforest, and it's a basin, low terrain, that can store water. All surrounding water flows here. Sichuan is a land of abundance. Because basins work well. Gathering water is gathering wealth. We just need to block Sichuan Basin's outlet. Sichuan people have strong character. The Amazon River, long ago, not only stole water from around it, it even stole water from the Congo River, Luanda Cabinda. Then someone asks, the Congo is in Africa, the Amazon is in South America. What does that have to do with me? True, South America and Africa were once connected, part of the Gondwana continent. This is no coincidence, because back then this might have been one basin, a huge river in this huge basin. Let's call it the Congo-Amazon River, flowing from the Congo Basin to the Amazon Basin, the exact opposite of today's Amazon flow. Who says rivers can't flow backwards? You know what happened next. Gondwana split apart, creating the Atlantic Ocean here. The upstream Congo wasn't much affected, I was already long. Losing a bit doesn't affect daily life. But the downstream Amazon was kinda screwed. Now I have two outlets, the Pacific and Atlantic, both serving me. One's gonna drain me dry. Pangaea didn't split with a snap. Over millions of years of splitting, the Atlantic formed on this side, the Andes rose on the other side. Flowing west got harder and harder, like an old man who just got aroused, trying hard but can't deliver. The river gradually started flowing back, flowing east into the Atlantic, the Amazon. Basin is almost as big as Australia. Over 15,000 tributaries in the entire basin, constantly and majestically pouring water into the Amazon. The Andes rising on the west, not only blocking water flow, but also blocking the source. Water vapor, the Guiana highlands to the north, the Brazilian highlands to the south. Water basically all flows into this rainforest basin. Finally, all return to the Atlantic. The good thing about our Yellow River, for thousands of years, it kept changing course, making people suffer, but it also forged civilization's resilience, nurturing civilization's development. But in its eyes, the Amazon everywhere is a river channel.